Welcome to Story and Ride. So today I'm going to show you how I converted my car charger into a two-wheeler charger. Uh, Basically, I was looking out for a charger for my Himalayan, and this charger, which I purchased for my car, I'm not using it anymore. So I thought of converting this thing into the bike charger because I don't want to spend unnecessary money if I can do this, because this is very simple. I can show you how the procedure is. So let's begin. Let me show you the final product. How is it looking? This is that charger. Okay, you have two ports, plus it has an indicator. Let me show you this. It shows you from which port are you charging, plus it will tell you if your battery is low. It will start blinking in the sense it will make a beep sound. And now I will tell you how I have done it. It's very simple. You just need two wires, one button to turn it off and on. Okay, and first what you have to do, you have to remove this thing. Okay, like since this thing goes into the lighter part of the car, so you have to remove this. So this is a negative and this is positive. So when you remove this thing, you will get two wires, one for the positive, one for the negative. So what I did here, if you can see this is positive wire where I have attached this button on off. Okay, it will go into the bike. Probably I will not connect it directly from battery. I will take it from ignition, so that whenever I am turning on the bike, it get on, even though there is an option I can put it off as well if the ignition is on. For that reason I have put the switch, and this will go into the battery. Okay. It's working. Let me just keep this straight so that you can be able to see it. This is negative wire and this is positive. Connect positive to positive here. It's working. Let me just put this off from button. Somebody has to hold it, but anyways, let me manage. Yeah, cool. Let me just go down and just install this on my bike. Hey guys, I've installed this charger on my bike. You can see this. Here it is. I don't know how to fix this. I will find a way to fix it. And this is the button. Okay, now I will tell you how wiring has gone. So I've already told you one, there is a positive and another is negative, right? So let's go. You will find a switch here for the ignition. This ignition wire over here. So you have to take this one. Okay, look, this wire, the green one is the positive, has been included in the, it has been inserted in this. Okay, the negative is gone here. So negative is passing through here, and this is the green. I have put in a tape there, but this is, you can see, like, okay, this is a green kind of green color. This thing, the one, this is in black, this is in green. Okay, you have to connect this negative wire into the black wire, this black wire. That's it, that's done. Now let's see, does it work or not. Let me just turn it on and show it to you how this charges work. Okay, this is on. This, okay, this is showing 12 volt now. You can see this. Now it start blinking because it's showing battery low. So let me just turn it off the bike and again start it, put it on so that it shows 12 volt. And then once now that fuel injected, it started utilizing the battery. Hey guys, this is how it is working. You can see this charger is working, like it's charging 13.5. It shows the watts as well. Okay, so hope you find this video useful. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, just put it down in the comment box. I will answer that. Thank you.